the Law Family Farm, and I thought because I showed you guys how the black plastic was being laid, I thought you might like to see what's been growing. So we're going to come over here, and I don't know if you can see down in here, there's some beautiful squash growing. The weeds kind of got out of hand out of here. The squash loves the black plastic. And then I wanted to show you some butternut squash here. There's a little baby one, and there's a bigger one. Lots of squash in there. The squash just loves us. We didn't get it weeded very well. Then here we have some melons. Look at those big things. They're huge. I can't remember what these are called. A whole bunch of melons. You can see them in there. They're huge. These are even small ones. If we come down here, you see a big one. He's going to get ready to eat in a week or so. And then everything just seems to be doing really good. These are Brussels sprouts that are doing good. We have our cucumbers. There's a nice cucumber right there. Slicer, cucumbers, and pickles. We'll come down here. Over here is our pepper plants. They're doing really good. We're getting a bunch of peppers out of them now. We'll come down here and look at these. Cabbages. Huge. These are small heads too. We're just doing really, really good. They love this black plastic. Big rows of cabbage. And here we have some redhead cabbage. Those are just heading out right now. The green cabbage is already headed out, but the red cabbage is just starting, as you can see. Just starting out. I don't know if you can see that big watermelon hiding over there. Huge. Look at that one. They're huge. These are pickles. Pickling cucumbers. And then we're gonna, oh, looks like somebody missed one. That's a big pickle. We're gonna come down here. To the broccoli. It's just huge. Broccoli. An eggplant. I don't see any on there yet. Down here at the end of the row, we got some white eggplants coming. Some more cabbage heads. Oh, here's our sweet bell peppers. And here we got some white eggplants in there. Those look good if you like eggplants. More watermelon. Sweet corn didn't do too good. Some sweet bell peppers. And we have our second planting of zucchini and summer squash. You look on there, see little baby ones coming. Some more. These are called Jacob's beans. They're kind of weird looking. They look like some kind of a cow. They turn out white with brown spots. They look really weird. Those would be dry beans. Tomatoes. Oh, I see a tomato right there. Finally gonna have some tomatoes. We got 5, 6 rows of tomatoes. Haven't picked any from outside. We've been picking them up from the greenhouse. And then these are the summer squash plants. These are your patty pans. Those are a type of zucchini. They look like little UFOs. And then the rest are green and yellow zucchini, summer squash. Then the potatoes, those kind of got weedy too. We'll have to get them taken care of. Then we're going to go down here and see if we can find some beets. I haven't thinned them yet. I hate doing that. I hate thinning them because I feel like I'm losing some. Yep, there's the beets. A couple rows of beets. Carrots aren't doing too good. They're coming up a little bit. More green onions. Got lots of green onions. They did really good. Oh, we'll come up here and see the bean patch. More carrots. Those have to be thinned out too. Look at those beets. Those are going to be good. There's some more butternut squash. That was kind of a weird one. It's got 3 bumps on it. Well, here's a big one. Right in there hiding. Yep. And here's the bean patch. We have the purple beans. And we have some yellow wax beans. 2 rows of them. 2 rows of purple beans. And 5 rows of green beans. They look really good. They are good too. So those go on up for a little ways. So there you have it. There's the garden patch, La Family Farm.